Hi, I'm Clawson Katie, and today we're going to be looking at one of our Ford SUVs, the 2018 Ford EcoSport. The 2018 Ford EcoSport sports a 2.0-liter I-4-cylinder engine with a 6-speed automatic transmission. It has a modern compact body style that comes with a blind spot sensor, power moonroof, and 17-inch wheels. Moving into the interior, the Ford EcoSport has a navigation system, automatic temperature control, and wireless phone connectivity. The 2018 Ford EcoSport is on special now at Clawson Truck Center, so head on down, take it for a spin, and make this car yours.